Here I got another eBay package. I know this is 25-watt light bulbs. They're a different shape. They're not 8019, but they're globe. But it's still pretty good. I just haven't ordered 8019 shape bulbs yet. And I'm not gonna do it anytime soon because I'm saving my money. But I will do it sometime this year though. Trust me, I have a lot of money and will promise to buy them. So, let's hold on. Let's open this a minute. This is not from Home Depot, but the store is the one that supplied these. Either from eBay though, in reality. That's where I ordered them from, but these bulbs came from Home Depot. Of course. It's where they were originally from. Yeah, you can buy things off of eBay. And they're from different stores. Hold on. Yep. I think it's called a buy outside of eBay. eBay is a good site. I like it. I hope they're in good condition though. Shipping isn't always the best. So. And they came in good condition. These are phased out, I believe. Get 25-watt Sylvania double light bulbs. They're your standard 120-volt bulbs. These will fit your vanity. These are your standard E26 base. Yep. Very nice bulbs. You will not find these in your local retailer stores anymore. Yes, thanks for watching.